Hello everyone, I am making a cloud with several bumpy lines. Just follow me step by step, then you can also able to draw clouds. Once the cloud is done, now I am drawing several curved lines. Each curved line represent each of the color in the rainbow. A rainbow consists of 7 colors and it starts with violet, then indigo, then blue, then green, then yellow, and after that orange, and lastly red. After the drawing, now I have colored it with a black pen, and now I am coloring the clouds with sky blue color. Color it slowly. If you color it faster, then color will come out from the cloud. Once it's done, then we will start coloring the rainbow. The first color of the rainbow is violet or purple. Color it very slowly and slowly. After this, we will color the second line, that is indigo. For the indigo, I am using the deep blue color in our oil pastel. Color it very slowly and slowly. Don't color it faster. After this, we will using the color sky blue, and if you color faster, then the color will spread out. After that, I'm using the green color for coloring the fourth curve line. Color it very slowly and slowly. After that, I'm using the yellow color. Slowly color. Okay, don't color it faster. After this yellow color, I'm using the orange color. Color it very slowly. And lastly, we are using the red color. Color it very slowly. Don't mess the color or else it will not look good. Color it very slowly. Once it's done, now you have a cloud with rainbow. Don't forget to like, share and